Hey, thanks for being with us tonight. It is such a nice summer-like night. I do understand it is cooler by Lake Michigan, but at least it's not snowing. I think it's pretty safe to rule out any more snow, at least in Green Bay, because now just a couple days ago in 1947, Green Bay received its latest trace of snow on record. Here's the crazy thing, though. In Milwaukee, ask them, because it was back in the 1800s on this day, it snowed. So I think it's pretty safe to say we're pretty much done with that now. Boy, is it nice out. Average high 71. Way above that today. Looks like we make it above that as far as tomorrow. There's a 79 in Milwaukee. We have 80s in Minneapolis. And tomorrow, though, I think we're going to have more clouds. So not quite as warm as it was today. And still, if you live by Lake Michigan, probably going to be cooler there, like it is right now. It's 65 in Manitowoc, 72 in Sturgeon Bay. But those are the typical cool spots when you don't have a stronger westerly component to the wind. But look at all the 80s on them. It's so nice to see this. I know it's above average, but I don't hear many complaints. 84 Oshkosh and Fond du Lac, 82 in Appleton. I think we'll take this over winter. Dew points, they're not bad. So dew points are fairly comfortable right now. So we've got a dry air mass in place, but notice out to the west, south, they spike up. I think we start to spike things up a little bit as we head through tomorrow. So get ready for a little bit more humidity. And once we start to see a little bit more instability, this is called warm air advection out ahead of a low pressure. You start to see that instability, a little lift in the atmosphere. There's no cap either. So as the day goes on, you get the daytime heating, you start to see these scattered showers and storms fire up. Looks like we should see a couple of those in a couple spots as tomorrow goes on, but I'm not talking about an all-day rain. Once we go into tomorrow night, maybe a couple of those start to die off as we lose that daytime heating. So that's the story for your Sunday. It's not a widespread rain, but still, as we get some daytime heating, I think we pop up a couple scattered showers and thunderstorms. And then eventually this low pressure with the warm front gets closer, and then a cool front comes sweeping on through. And that means we're going to see more showers and storms as we head through Monday. So here's a look at precision cast. And notice it's pretty quiet for most of the night. Slight chance of a shower or storm, mainly off to the north and west. Tomorrow morning, slight chance of a storm, but as the day goes on, again, with the daytime heating, could fire a couple of these showers and storms. So keep that in mind as we go throughout the day. Not an all-day rainfall. And then we lose the daytime heating tomorrow night. A lot of those start to die off. But here comes the low pressure and a cool front with a warm front just to our north. So that looks like enough triggering that we're probably going to see some more shower and storm development along that boundary with that low pressure. Very close. So the rest of our night tonight, increasing clouds, 60 degrees. That's not bad at all. Maybe a little bit cooler by the lake. For tomorrow, cooler by the lake again. A couple scattered storms developing as the day goes on. Again, that's that daytime heating kicking things off, 80 degrees. For your Sunday night, chance of some more storms, but I think as we lose the nighttime heating, I should say daytime heating, those storms just kind of fall apart, 64. And then for Monday, here comes the cool front and the low pressure, occasional showers and storms along that, 80 degrees again. You'll notice humidity. Now, we could see a pop-up shower as we head through Tuesday, but that wouldn't be an all-day event. After that, we start to quiet things down for a while. The temperature's pretty comfortable in the lower 70s. And next weekend, maybe a chance of a shower as we go into Sunday. But otherwise, Cassandra, I'm not talking about an all-day rain tomorrow. It's kind of like last week where you saw those hit-or-miss showers and storms popping up.